Welcome to this Nox Medical tutorial on how to set up online and ambulatory recordings using the Nox A1. The first step is to create an online room. Navigate to Devices and Online Rooms. In the Room Manager, select Add Room. Give the room a name and click Add Devices. All available devices on the computer LAN network are listed here, and the section on the left side is where other devices can be added. For instructions on how to connect the Nox A1, open the Nox A1 setup guide. Select Nox A1 from the Device Type section and click Add. When a Nox A1 recorder is added, the user needs to select the Nox A1 access point that is being used and click Scan. Make sure that the A1 device is turned on. When the device has been recognized, select the device and click Next and then Finish. Select other auxiliary devices that you want to use in this room and click Add to Room. The selected devices will be added to the room. Settings can be changed for each device by selecting the device and click Edit Device. After adjusting all settings, click Close. The best practice is to add all devices that are available for the specific room, even though they are not all used at the same time during an online recording. After the room has been created, the recording page view will display the room as shown here. To start an online recording, click Configure Recording. Select the recording type from the drop-down list, or manually select the devices and device profiles to be used. Click Next. The final step is to add patient information and then click Start Recording. The online recording will start, showing the device status, and the device status window will disappear when all the recording devices have been successfully connected. Connect the Nox A1 device with a USB cable to the computer. To connect the Nox A1 device to a computer, you need to access the USB connector on the device. The USB connector is placed under the battery lid. The Nox A1 device should be displayed on the recording page, showing the device status, firmware and serial number. Click Configure Device. A Nox A1 configuration wizard appears. Select the recording type from the drop-down list. The recording types available are the built-in ones from the software. The recording types define what channel configuration is used on the device and what auxiliary devices are used in the recording. The sensor setup chosen in the recording type is displayed on the patient image to the left. To create a custom recording type, follow the instructions how to set up a custom recording type and a device profile for the Nox A1 that can be found on the Nox Academy site. Type in the applicable oximeter BDA address that can be found on the back of the Nonin 3150 oximeter. Click Next. Here you can select if it's a manually started recording or an automatically scheduled recording. Also, select the duration time for the recording, then click Next. Add the patient information and click Finish. The device is now ready to record. After configuring using the Noxturnal software and hooking up the patient, it is recommended to use the Noxturnal app to connect the Nox A1 device to do a signal checkup, biocalibration, and then to start the recording. After a night of recording, the device needs to be connected to a computer to download the gathered data. The device should display on the recording page with the status ready to download. Click Download Recording. The recording will start to download and the status of the download is displayed. After the recording has been downloaded, the automatic analysis defined by the configured recording type is performed. When the recording has been successfully downloaded and analyzed, this message will appear. Summary of the analysis results are displayed on the front page, and indicators for sleep parameters displayed both visually with colors and numbers. The sleep parameters displayed depend on the configuration of the Nox A1 device. Further analysis of individual signals can be done by clicking on the signal tabs that are available from the signal overview page. Further information about the Noxturnal workspace can be found on our homepage www.noxmedical.com and navigate to our support site.